Good morning. Tudo bem já? Bom dia. What I like to share to you today is one expression. In English, it's God help me. So in Portuguese, it is Deus me ajudou. This expression is widely used. So in my travels, I had used this expression, and I tried to check the spellings and the usage of it. So I I like to greet you all. Bom dia, tudo bem, and see you later. So I hope this expression can help you learn Portuguese. I like to say to you that I have learned and using Portuguese through the streets. I have not taken any formal education to it, and I'm learning now also as I teach you. So I hope God will help me because my intention is to share knowledge. Okay, and see you later. As I said, see you later, Telogo.